Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Kenny. Happy New Year. If you've not seen my last video, I would say go watch it. But today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on Goddess Faux Locs. I'm just really gonna summarize any information that you really need to know about this tutorial, and then I'll let you watch it, and so you can like really pay attention to it. I'm gonna leave a description of the hair that I used in the description box. So you're gonna find all the information, how many packs, what kind of hair and stuff like that in the description box. So do not hesitate to look at the description box for those information. And with that being said, if you like this tutorial, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to share with other people so they can learn from me. And this does not necessarily mean that this is how to do it. This is the way I do it, and this is the way I did it. So I'm just showing you guys. If you want to use my method, sure. If you don't, that's cool. So yeah. So let me know what you think, and leave your comments in the comment section, and I will really get back to you. I promise. I'll see you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.